Finsbury is not really occupied, if you want.
It used to be. No, be honest.
In the beginning, yeah, it was occupied already. Trust me. But now, you know, you have some people who are here and do nothing, and sometimes it's bad. But after, it stay occupied because we are here in the middle of the city, you know, in the middle of the bank. So we are here every day, and trust me, it's difficult sometimes to stay here.
At the moment, there's a few of us disassociating ourselves from Occupy, because Occupiers, it's got a hierarchical people in it, and we don't want to be around hierarchical people telling us what to do and what we can and can't do. The government are wasting money on stupid stuff like the Olympics. They've got 13,500 army troops going to be on the streets of London. They're going to have FBI agents all over the streets of London. They've wasted over £13 million worth of taxpayers' money to pay for all that. And we need to get people out there knowing what's going on and all that.
The chicken was run. First you have to run after the chicken. And then you enjoy it. We know how to do fire, we know how to build a house, and we know how to protest.
We get taxed when we're born, we get taxed when we die. Either way, you've got to pay tax.
Hi Mom, I'm famous.